Hey guys, it's Shannon and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really fun video for you guys. I'm doing a TJ Maxx haul. So I've not done a haul in a super long time, first of all. And second of all, I've never done a TJ Maxx haul. I've been in TJ Maxx before a couple times and I love it. I've just never got enough to do a haul, but this time I got a good bit. So yeah, we're just gonna share with you guys what I got. So let me take that trash out first. And let me start with this. So I got a Village candle and it was one of their limited edition scents. And it's in the scent Indian Summer. And it's festive pumpkin, persimmon, and clove. And it was $9.99. Smells so good. I think it's like a really good scent to like transition from summer to fall because it still has like the spices are more of like a brighter, like warmer kind of scent, so you still get like the summer. I smell a little bit of orange in it too, but then you have the pumpkin scent and everything, which transitions into the fall scents, so it's a really good like starter scent, you know. So I got that. And then I got this for my kitchen because I've been cooking a lot. And every time I cook, I joke and say that I feel like Gordon Ramsay or like Betty Crocker or something. And I feel so fancy because I've been making like these HelloFresh meals. But the one thing that I'm always missing is one of these things for my oil. And I just pull out my giant bottle of oil out of the fridge and pour it, and it's not as fancy or nice. And I always pour too much, and that's where I always mess up. So I got one of these things because it was normally $2.99. It was on clearance for $2. So I'm like, that's a steal, you know? And I love it already. It's got a cute little man on it, or the other side says vinegar on it. But I'm going to put oil in this. I'm really excited to use it. The rest, oh that's why. The rest is not all makeup. Most of it is. I got one more product that's not. I got a giant bottle of Batiste. I got the tropical scent. I've never tried the tropical scent before, so I thought I'd give it a try. It smells like coconuts, and I'm really excited to try this scent. I love Batiste dry shampoo. And for the large bottles at TJ Maxx, it's like $8.99, and for like the small like travel size ones at our Walmart is like $6. So I'm like, I'm not gonna pay $6 for that little thing when I can get this giant one that's like, I don't know, at least it's more than triple the size for only a couple bucks more, you know. So that's the thing with like trying to save money and stuff. You gotta realize what's worth the more expensive price, you know. That little thing is not worth that little price, that $5 price tag. So it's more like money wise, it's more reasonable to get that big one, you know, if that makes sense. I don't know what I'm talking about. What am I saying? I don't know. The rest of what's in my bag is all makeup. Oh, I almost broke something. Here's my receipt. So the first thing I got is an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and it's in the color Ashton. And this was $7.99. I don't know how much they normally are at Sephora, but it looked like a really pretty nude. I'm really excited to try it. It smells really nice. And I love the applicator. I've never tried their liquid lipsticks, so super excited too. One of my friends at school is like obsessed with their liquid lipsticks. She brags about them all the time, how much she loves them. So this is from Too Faced, and it was $3.99, and it's a travel size of the Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And this is medium to dark matte bronzer. I like darker bronzers because I like to be really contoured and really tan. So here's the packaging. Looks really nice. It's like a really nice warm shade. And that's like pretty light as well. So I mean, it's not like it's gonna be bam really dark, you know? What I have one right now I feel like it's too light. But, and it's a dark one from Physicians Formula, but like that's just my taste. I like for my bronzer to be like super dark. I don't know why. So then the next thing I got is a mascara from Kevyn Aucoin, and it's the Expert Mascara, and it was $12.99. And here's the tube. It's in a gold tube. And then this is the brush. Thought it was a really cool brush. I've never used a brush like that before. Sorry about my chair. My chair's really old and squeaky and I need a new one. But yeah. So I got that. And then, oh, this is one I'm most excited about. This is the Too Faced Peach Kiss Moisture Matte Long Wear Lipstick. And it's in the color, I almost said scent, Mule Calente, I think is how you say it. Here's the packaging. First of all, I'm obsessed with the packaging. There's a little peach on top and right here. And it's super cute. And then this is the shade. I love it. It's got little peaches on it. And it smells like peaches and I love it. They only had one, or else I would have bought them all probably. Did I say how much the price was? These were $6.99. Which is a pretty good price for a Too Faced lipstick, honestly. I don't know how much they normally are, but yeah. It smells really nice and I like it. And the last thing I got is from Pure, and it's their Love Your Selfie 2. And it's one of their little day to night collections. First of all, I love this packaging. I love the glitter. It's super pretty. Oh my gosh, it's the same way on the palette. I didn't open it. I hope it's not broke, but it's so pretty. It's got a nice, huge mirror. You see that? You're gonna see yourself. Well, yeah. And then, so with a little sheet of the day to night. Oh my gosh. Has a little lip gloss. I think that's a lip liner. Little mascara. And then some shadows and like contour products. Nice. I like it. This seems really cool. I'm excited to try that. I've never tried this brand. And I'm super excited to. I haven't tried a lot of these brands that I got. I mean, I've tried Too Faced, obviously, and then the Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I haven't tried the Kevyn Aucoin. All the products I've got, I've never tried that line from the brand, if I have tried the brand. But yeah. I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you've tried any of these products, let me know what you think of them. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing my lovely face. Did my makeup today, so you didn't have to see how ugly I look without it. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video. Also, I've been doing this makeup look like lately. What am I saying? I wanted to know if you guys wanted a tutorial on it. If you do, let me know down below, because I'm really liking the look, and I think it's really pretty. And yeah, why do my eyes look so funny? I'm going crazy. Alright, I'm gonna get off here before I go ballistic. Alright, I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.